Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking a fixed wake time and committing to it every day. This anchors your circadian rhythm. Once awake, get bright light for 20-30 minutes to signal daytime to your brain. Make the first night useful. Start a focused 20-30 minute pre-bed ritual, dim lights, avoid screens, and do light stretching or reading. These steps reduce internal jitter and shift your internal clock. Do them immediately and consistently, so your sleep drive rebuilds predictably. You now stabilize progress by controlling factors that shape your sleep pressure. Keep caffeine out of your system after 2 p.m. Note how many milligrams you consume so you can adjust. Exercise helps, but finish intense workouts at least 3 hours before bed to prevent alertness at night. Regular meal times reinforce timing. Avoid heavy dinners within 2 to 3 hours of sleep. Once these patterns are regular, your body learns when to build and release sleepiness, improving deep sleep and consistency. You finish by consolidating gains and correcting drift. Move your bedtime gradually by 15-30 minutes each night until you hit the target. Keep wake time constant. If you slip, reset with morning bright light sessions and skip naps to rebuild sleep pressure. Make sure to evaluate after 1 week. If difficulties persist beyond a week, commit to a strict 7-14-day routine before making further changes. Troubleshooting tip: if sleep remains fragmented, reduce evening stimulation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.